everyone, Mrs. Quiddick here. Look who's here with me today. Wormy! Hi Wormy, how's it going? Wormy, are you enjoying this nice beautiful weather in Minnesota? Wormy, we have been working so hard in our number corner and this is our last week. Can you believe it? Oh, Wormy doesn't want to come out because he said that it's our last week. It feels like just like yesterday Wormy was coming out to our class and saying hello. Isn't that right, Wormy? Now, Wormy, we've been hanging out with your friend Tad a lot, and Wormy loves hanging out with Tad, and for Tad, we've been jumping all over our hundreds chart. So I'm excited to see where we're gonna hop to today. And remember, we are only a few days away from finishing our May Hidden Picture Grid. Yay! Very, very exciting. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. It is purple, so we're gonna color our square purple today wherever he's hopping. Also, today is the 154th day of school. Tomorrow is 155th, which is 155. And for 154, we have one group of 100, this chart. Then we have 5 rows of 10, 50, and then 4, 1. So let's uncover our May Hidden Picture Grid. No. Our May calendar piece. Mrs. Quiddick, we're not there yet. Oh my gosh, I got too excited. Ready? Let's count down from 4, 3, 2, 1. Where are we hopping to today? Yesterday we landed on 45, coloring that square orange. And now we're going to hop 2 to the left. 2 over to the left. I bet Tad isn't hopping that far today because he's a little tired from hopping a ton yesterday. He hopped like 6 times yesterday. I bet he was exhausted. But now we're just gonna hop 2 to the left. And remember, whenever we're counting on a number line, hopping to the left means getting closer to 0 or using the sign of subtraction or a minus sign. So we left Tad over here on 45. We're gonna hop over 2, 1, 2. We are landing on 43 today. We're landing on 43. If we did this backwards and we had Tad hop over to the right 2, we would land on 45 where we started. So that's a good way to check. Also, I'm seeing very similar boxes on the hundreds chart being colored similar colors. So that can also help us show that we are on the right track because 3 boxes over to the right of 45 are colored in purple, and now 3 boxes over to the left are colored purple, and that is where Tad is landing today. Now we've been working super hard with our money and collecting quarters, and this time during number corner I'm going to ask you to do a little bit something special. This will require some help from a family member, and I encourage you just to try out what can you find quarter-wise around your house. But I'm going to explain it to you as we get our number corner notebook. And welcome back to your favorite time of the day, number corner with Mrs. Quiddick. We're going to write our date. We only have a few days left of writing our date. Today is May 27th. TH 27th, 2020, or 5-27-20. I also would like you to write today is Wednesday. And our instructions for the day was to start at 45 and go over to the left 2. 1, 2. Now, I bet you guys can probably do this by yourself. You probably don't even need Mrs. Quiddick's help because we've been practicing this all month. And how we know if we go over 1, we use a minus sign. We've been practicing our expressions. And we've been practicing simplifying expressions. And And then we've also been practicing equations. And by now you should feel very confident in your ability to write down expressions and equations. And we're going to color 43 purple. Oh, we're so close to making our picture. What's Tad trying to catch? Very, very exciting. And now, last but not least, we are still doing our money collection. And when we add a quarter in, we now have 50 cents. So we've collected $3.50, 50. 50 cents is half of a dollar. So $3.50, we need 50 more cents to equal $1. So just for records, we're going to write total, the amount $3.50. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go on a little scavenger hunt. Now you may have to ask your mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, and uncle to help you with this, but our total is $3.50. I want you first to focus on, can you find any change around your house that equals to $1? And then my challenge for you is to find $3.50 around your house. Now, granted, just want to make sure Mrs. Quiddick is not asking you to keep this money. You are borrowing this money to do a scavenger hunt for Number Corner. So, I did not tell you to keep it. Silly. I say find it just so you could practice counting with real life coins. For example, ready? Mrs. Quiddick was looking in her wallet and I found all this change. I'm like, oh my goodness, I wonder how much money this is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the quarters. So I have 3 quarters, and I'm going to put pennies over here, and then I'm going to put dimes, and then nickels. And now I remember Mrs. Quiddick told me to find something that equals $1. Well, I know from my pattern that I've been working on, 25, 50, 75. I have 75 cents. Now I need to get to 100, and I don't have another quarter because I know that 4 quarters equals $1. So I need to get to 100. So I'm at 75. What if I put a nickel, which is worth 5 cents, with my quarters? I would have 25, 50, 75, plus 5, 80 cents. 80 cents. Wait, I know that dime is worth 10, 80, 90, 100. So out of all my coins, I have 100 cents or $1 worth of coins. So now up here, I would write all the coins that I used to make my dollar. I would write quarter plus a quarter plus a quarter. Then I had 1 nickel plus 2 dimes. So I wrote 25 in each of the quarters, 5 in the nickel, and 2 in the dimes. But I bet I could probably do another combination that equals to $1. But I really want to find $3.50. I probably don't have enough for $3.50, so I might go hunting a little bit more throughout my apartment to then find the rest of this change. But once you find $3.50, I want you to write down what you used when finding that. Maybe you'll find $3.50, just like our money collection. Or maybe you're going to say, you know what, I'm going to challenge myself and I'm going to try finding all the coins that I can to equal $3.50. So I want you to have fun, explore with the coins around your house. I want you to take a look at the front of the coin, the back of the coin, really experiment, And then I also lovingly would like you to put them back where you found it. Happy exploring with your coins, and I'll see you tomorrow for Number Corner.